Remote sighted assistance is a service for visually impaired users, where they can establish a video connection and converse with remote sighted volunteers. To support sighted volunteers in indoor navigation, we designed an interactive system where they can see the visually impaired user's current surroundings and uses real-time location and orientation. We also provided guidelines for establishing the highly dynamic remote sighted system paradigm in control lab study.